Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe and keep it clean. Alright, this Lincoln Aviator is completed. It was a used complete detail, so that included engine bay, all the exterior, all interior. All of our products here at Ford are treated with Resistol, and it's a part of the whether it's new or used package. I will close everything up in a minute and show you everything sealed up, but it came out great. This is some customers coming to look at it tomorrow, so I hope they're happy with it and hopefully they will buy it. Either way, we had to get it ready. However, a good detail definitely helps in the sale. Awesome car. All kinds of features on it. I just left that open to show you. We cleaned that too. Complete detail, guys, inside and out. If you're interested in a vehicle, come visit Randy Marion Ford in West Jefferson, North Carolina. And let me get this thing closed up and I'll show you again real fast.